Creating a passive income has never been easier with AI. In today's video, we are going to delve into different AI tools that can help you sell the easiest AI digital product. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and sell the easiest AI digital product. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now before we delve into the first step, I am going to divide this video into multiple parts. We have our idea generation, we have our image generation, and lastly, some consistent sales strategy. And as a bonus, we are going to talk about the earning potential. So in this video, we are going to be focusing on Etsy.com. It is a very popular website where people sell their products. So in here, you want to head over to Etsy.com and you can just go ahead and search for vintage wall art. Inside this page, we are specifically looking for products that has the popular now category or the best selling category. You want to choose to any of the items that they have right here, and inside these items we are specifically looking for the red message, which is this one. In demand, 4 people bought this in the last 24 hours, and if you scroll down long enough, you will then go ahead and see all of the reviews. You want to look for the reviews, whether it's a positive review or a negative review, and you also want to look for the most recent review right here. And right after, we are going to use this tool so we can check how much this product has been earning. We are going to use this tool called Everbee, and you can just get it from the official chromewebstore.google.com. Now to use the Everbee extension, you can see it at the right hand corner of your screen, and inside you want to click on the product analysis. Now after clicking on it, it will take us to the listing details right here. You have your estimated monthly sales, estimated monthly revenues, and other crucial details that we can go ahead and look for. And if you scroll down long enough, you can also go ahead and see all of the keywords. Now as of the moment, only subscribe to Everbee can only view the monthly sales, monthly revenues, and the total sales. Now, we can also look at the shop details right here by clicking on shop details, and right after you want to click on analyze shop listing, and Everbee will try to load everything inside the shop, and it will only list the most important items. So right here we have the first one. It has a total of 34 reviews. Listing age is 33 months. You can go ahead and look for something more recent right here. And if you scroll down to the left, you can see the average reviews, the views, shop age, and more. You can just go ahead and take some inspiration by using Everbee. So in this step, we want to go back to Etsy.com, and inside we want to look for some inspiration. Since we have been looking at this product right here, I am also going to base my inspiration from this specific store. And you don't want to copy these shops to avoid issues going down the road. And as we go ahead and review their store right here, their item posting is really simple. All they are using is a simple white background. It has this frame and it also has the name of the paint. Now we can take some inspiration from this shop right here, but once again, you don't want to copy them to avoid issues. Now after taking some inspiration, you want to head over to some AI tools like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or any other text-to-image tool. In this video, we are going to be using Leonardo AI because it is one of the best free text-to-image tools out there. You want to head over to app.leonardo.ai, and inside you want to sign in your account. Now inside their homepage, you can just go ahead and click on image generation. And inside this page, you can just go ahead and type something like this one. A vintage inspired old painting of an old potted lemon tree with rich textures and soft lighting. Set against the backdrop of aged wood frame on the wall, the scene captures the essence of classic European artistry, evoking nostalgic for bygone eras in home decor. And the next thing that you want to modify is your fine-tune model. You can just go ahead and choose any fine-tune model that they have right here. And at the right-hand corner of your screen, you have the properties for your photo. First things first, you have the number of images. We also have some features that's exclusive with Leonardo AI, which is the photo reel feature. We have our alchemy, prompt magic, transparency, and public images. And for the second one, we have our image dimension. You can modify this the way you want to. We have our sliders right here for the pixels, width, and height. And lastly, we have our guidance scale. To make the video simple, I'll just go ahead and click on generate. And after generating multiple photos inside Leonardo AI, I will be choosing this specific photo right here. But of course, if you don't want this specific prompt, you can go ahead and make it better. And after selecting your image, we can then go ahead and upscale this image by using another feature. It is called the HD Smooth Upscaler. You can just go ahead and choose any upscaler that they have right here if you don't like the results of HD Smooth Upscaler. And now with the final results, I really like what Leonardo AI came up with. The only thing left to do now is to go ahead and click on the download image to download the image to our computer. And with all of that out of the way, we can now proceed to the next step. So to finish this off, you want to head over to canva.com. It is a free graphic designing tool. In here, you want to click on create designs, and we are going to create some postings for our shop in Etsy. You want to select import file, and inside you can just go ahead and select the file that we just made in Leonardo AI. Right after, click on use in a new design, custom design, and lastly click on create new design. And inside you can just go ahead and click on apps, and you want to search for mockups. Go ahead and click on this one, and now we can select any mockups that they have right here. So as an example, we are going to select this specific mockup, and right after you want to drag your photo inside this mockup, and it will instantly apply this into our mockup right here. And at the right hand corner of your screen, you can then go ahead and adjust this the way you want to. You have your image crop, smart crop, alignment, and flip. If you want to edit how your image fit inside our mockup, you can just go ahead and resize it the way you want to, and it will instantly apply to our image right here. And we also have our alignment, flip, and right after editing your photo, you can just go ahead and click on apply changes. And now as you can go ahead and see, it fully covered the entire canvas. And once again, if you don't want this specific markup, you can then go ahead and select to the tons of markups that they have right here. And inside you can also go ahead and add things like elements, text, and more. For example, if you want to add something like the painting's name, you can then go ahead and select any of the templates that they have right here, drag it inside our Canva, and inside you can just go ahead and edit this the way you want to. So if you want to name this something like lemon tree, you want to type lemon tree right here, and now it will instantly import it inside our design. Now to download the image, you can then go ahead and click on share, click on download, and right after, once again, we can modify our image the way we want to. You have your JPEG, PNG, PDF, and more. And after editing the properties of your photo, you can then go ahead and select the download button. And as I've previously mentioned, you can just go ahead and take the inspiration from other shops and import it into your shop listing right here. You have your titles, photos and videos, description, and more. And since we already made our photo for our product, you want to click on our edited photo right here. And now as you can go ahead and see, we can then post this the way we want to. So guys, in that way, you will be able to sell the easiest AI digital products out there. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.